It's cars. Hear the cars?
Yeah.
Yeah. This morning we are doing a Costco run. Thank you.
5-year member.
Thank you. Together, yeah. That's a big advent calendar. Wow. It's 6.1 pound of Lindt chocolate.
Regular size.
Oh, it's a regular size chocolate with bears and stuff. That's funny. That's huge. I know, it's $190. 6.1 pounds of chocolate. Oh, you want to try that? That looks really good. I want to try that. Yeah, I would try it. Spencer's new song is a firefighting helicopter. Do 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 do. It's a good song, Spence. I can fit now. I can fit it now. Firefighting helicopter. Mama's gonna pick you a box of grapes, yeah? You want this one? Alright, you can have that.
What?
Mama's gonna pick you a good one. Should we go inside? Inside. What is that? Kiwi berry? You wanna get it?
Shopping.
Berries. Okay. You don't really see that too often.
Shopping.
I know, I see strawberries here. There's a big box of strawberries.
Yummy.
That's a good yummy there. Whole milk, yeah? Organic whole milk. It's too cold in here. Okay, let's go see what samples they have. Ooh, 有咩食啊？蝴蝶酥啊？好啊，你買一個好啊。Okay, let's see what samples they have here. Ooh, let's see what this is. Spreadable butter. Oh, you want bye-bye? Thank you. Here you go. Ooh, we got some of the butterfly pastries here. Yeah, butterfly. Looks like a butterfly, doesn't it? Okay, Mama, my bad. I got you. All right, we're gonna go look for more samples, yeah? Today's sample day, sample lunch day. I see you there. Picking up some Starbucks coffee and some Kerrygold butter. I got you. Come on, let's go get some chicken. Over here. Ooh, got some chicken. It's gonna be hot, okay? Can you hold this? I'll get you another one. Got some chicken samples. Let's try it out. You can try.
You gonna sit down and eat, man? You yummy. You orange.
Yeah, it's orange, isn't it?
Juicy.
Juicy chicken, right? Mm-mm. 係啊，佢識嗰啲形容詞 saying everything.
Dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs. I know, dinosaurs. They're big. Sharp teeth, yeah? What is that? Ooh, it's a engine box here. Oh, this is pretty cool. You can work on an engine. It's a utility cart. Advent calendar. Whoa, it's a big panda bear, isn't it? You gonna give the panda bear a hug? That's such a big panda bear. It's bigger than you, Spence. You like the raccoon? The big raccoon. What are we getting? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What do we get? What do we say? Ice cream? Perfecto! Yeah, we're gonna get ice cream. Ice cream. Ooh. Okay. You're scooping it from the top, huh? Is it perfecto? Like how you thought? Okay, let's get some water in the van. We can have some. Yeah, 食雪糕係咪啊？
Yummy, yummy. 係咪咧？
Yummy! We are done here at Costco. We're heading back home. I'm about to get started working on the van for the day, and today I'm going to focus on finishing up the electrical system. A little bit of a mess here from yesterday. I got to clean up before I start. But I left off with the AC distribution box here. And yesterday I was able to finagle these two wires into the bus bar down here, the neutral wire and the ground wire. And all that's left with this is to connect these three wires into these bars, add the circuit breakers and get everything connected. And we should be good with this little section here. The other ends of these wires are not connected yet. And I still need to put together the gang boxes for wherever these go, for the outlets and stuff. So let's get started. Today is day 72 of our DIY Sprinter van build. It's a bit of a hot day today. Let's close the doors. Let me strip these three wires and I will connect them to the AC distribution box. Now that these wires are crimped up, let's connect them to the appropriate breakers and the bus bar. The load will go on top. Actually, let's do the ground and the neutral first. So, I'll push these back a little bit. This distribution box is gonna lay flat right in the back here like this. I can actually even screw it down just so the wires won't be moving around. Let's connect the main circuit breaker here. I'll make sure these wires are not gonna be in the way. I'm pushing these in. I still need to add a few more wires to connect on the bottom side to connect between the breakers, but let's do these first. Okay, let's put these breakers in. And the last thing I need to do with this circuit breaker to complete this is to run I'm going to use a 6-gauge wire from the top side of the main breaker here and connect it to these three sub breakers here. And that's going to be able to supply power to these. And if this one trips, all of them are going to go out as well. This one I made is a little bit too short to bend. It's kind of tight like this. I'll make a little bit of a longer piece. It's really hard to get two of these to fit, so I had to sort of squish it to make this nice and flat, so that two can go in the same one, like this. Okay, these two are nice and tight. Lock that in. Okay, this is in, and then the last one will just go into this last one by itself. Let me just double check to make sure everything is wired properly and correctly, nice and tight. Make sure there's nothing loose, and then we can close this up. The AC distribution is now wired. We can start wiring the outlets and stuff around the van. I'm gonna start wiring up some of the outlets here. I'm gonna do the one for the living room. I'm gonna do one underneath the sink, one above the sink in the kitchen area. And then there's also gonna be a connection for the dishwasher there. So I'll try to make that connection. I might need a junction box before I make that, because it's just the three wires kind of coming together. And then also the microwave side. I got one outlet on the top here on the back side, and then one outlet in the front, and then I think I'm going to add another one somewhere in the closet area. So let's add some outlets. I picked up a bunch of the game boxes from Home Depot the other day. So in the living room, we're going to have one outlet somewhere over here. And I'll add the gang box somewhere along here. Actually, I'm not going to be able to install these outlets because two things. These are pretty fancy outlets. They have like a clip on here in the back. It's for easy install. But the biggest cable I can use is 12 gauge, and the ones that I ran are 10 gauge, which means these are no good for my application. So I'm gonna return these and pick a few more up from Home Depot. And same with the GFCI ones too. So I won't be able to install this right now. Okay, I just got back home from Home Depot, picked up the correct outlets. I think those should work, but I'll know tomorrow when I start installing those things. And tomorrow I'm going to continue working on the electricals. It's actually getting dark. It's like almost 7 o'clock already. A Costco run today and the day is gone. That's usually how it is. So tomorrow I'll try to start a little bit earlier, now that I got all the outlets, the correct ones. And it's almost dinner time too, but before dinner I'm going to try to do a little bit more editing on videos. I didn't finish yesterday's video, and I got to edit this video as well. So once those are done, then I can sort of put my heads towards ordering more things and planning out some of the rest of the van. So if you guys want to keep following our DIY Sprinter van build, hit that subscribe button so you get notified when the new videos come out. And if you enjoy watching this video, smash that like button so that it can spread out to more people. We really appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.